An artificial intelligence-enabled microscope has been installed at Malkangiri District Hospital in Orissa, India on a pilot basis. The microscope, developed by a startup from the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, is designed to detect malaria parasites with clinical accuracy. The microscope works by using AI to analyze images of blood slides for the presence of malaria parasites. It can also differentiate between two malaria parasites, P. falciparum and P. vivax, which can help to inform treatment decisions. The installation of the AI-based microscope in Malkangiri is a significant step forward in the fight against malaria in Orissa. Malaria is a major public health problem in the state, with over 100,000 cases reported each year. The AI-based microscope could help to improve the diagnosis and treatment of malaria, and ultimately reduce the number of deaths from the disease. The AI-based microscope is still in its pilot stage, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way that malaria is diagnosed and treated in Orissa and beyond. If the pilot project is successful, the microscope could be rolled out to other hospitals and clinics across the state and country. Benefits of AI-based microscopes in malaria diagnosis. Improved accuracy. AI-based microscopes can achieve a high level of accuracy in the diagnosis of malaria parasites, even in cases where the parasites are present in low numbers. Reduced time to diagnosis. AI-based microscopes can provide a diagnosis much faster than traditional microscopy methods, which can be helpful in cases where patients are severely ill. Reduced workload for healthcare workers. AI-based microscopes can automate the process of malaria diagnosis, freeing up healthcare workers to focus on other tasks. Overall, AI-based microscopes have the potential to improve the diagnosis and treatment of malaria, leading to better health outcomes for patients and communities.